Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Guys, if you don't know, Samsung yesterday officially announced in their website that Samsung Galaxy S23 Series, Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6, including A55 and Samsung Galaxy S10 Tab series, will be getting One UI 7 beta starting from March 6, which is today. I think till now, nobody has got the One UI 7 beta. If you have got the beta, like in S23 series or S10, Samsung S10 Tab series, let me know in the comment. And all the eligible countries are UK, India, Korea, and US. This country will be getting One UI 7 beta in these devices. Okay, but please note that Samsung S23 FE will be not getting One UI 7 beta, which is very sad for me, also for all the S23 FE users, because I have obviously S23 FE. And one more very big news coming regarding One UI 7 beta program. I will tell you later in this video about that. But before, I want to tell you, if you don't know how to join beta program, just what you have to do for the eligible device like Samsung S23 series, and mention in that post. Okay, so just open the Samsung member app, and over here you will find the join beta program. Okay, if your phone is eligible, and if you in the supported countries like UK, India, Korea, or US. Okay, now let me tell you another big news regarding One UI 7 beta program. Alright, guys, the big news is few hours ago, One UI 7 beta build spotted on test server for Samsung Galaxy S22 series also. You can see this is the build number for Samsung Galaxy S22 series One UI 7 beta. Okay, so is Samsung Galaxy S22 series also getting the One UI 7 beta? If you don't know, like a few days ago, there One UI 7 beta was spotted for Samsung Galaxy S23 series also, just like this. Yesterday, Samsung officially announced that Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be getting One UI 7 beta. And now One UI 7 beta build is spotted for Samsung Galaxy S22 series also. So I think Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be also getting the One UI 7 beta. Okay, good news for all the Samsung Galaxy S22 series users. So till now, there is no news or no One UI 7 beta builds spotted for Samsung Galaxy S21 series. But yes, guys, I think Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be getting One UI 7 beta. Samsung will announce in like 1 or 2 days, I think. I will give you the information. Okay. So, guys, S23 series is getting confirmed. Starting from today, if you have got the One UI 7 beta, please let me know in the comment. Alright, guys, have a great day. Very sad news for S23 FE users. We are not getting beta. Okay, we will be waiting for official update. So good news for S23 users also. S22 users also, they are getting the One UI 7 beta. Alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any questions, just comment below. Bye, take care. Have a great day.